Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iCloud sign out not working, or you're saying the message that sign out is not available due to restrictions. So let's see how can you fix that. You have to open your settings app here, tap on your Apple ID, and here you can see that my sign out option is not available due to restrictions on iPhone. So let's see how can you fix that. So you can easily fix the issue. You have to go back. Very first, you have to open your general and make a software update if you have any pending software update. Then go back from here, select screen time settings from here, tab on content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable all the restrictions from here. You have to enter your screen time passcode, and then your restrictions will be disabled. Then go back and then select change screen time passcode. Select turn off screen time passcode here. You have to re-enter your screen time passcode, then select turn off app and website activity. Once you have turned off your issue fix, you just have to go back and then tap on your Apple ID. And here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. You can see my issue has been fixed. I am getting the sign out option here. So in this way, you can easily fix sign out is not available due to restrictions on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.